Now one other form of indeterminate form is 0 into infinity. So whenever you have this form, we either convert it to 0 by 0 or we convert it to infinity by infinity and then try to solve it. So in this example, if you see it, limit x tends to 0, x square into log x is given. Now if you try to substitute x in 0 in place of x, you are going to get 0 here. And what about log 0? It is infinity. Therefore you are going to get 0 into infinity there, right? So now what I'll try to do is, I'll try to take this x square into the denominator by writing it as 1 by x square. Now if you observe it, if you try to substitute 0 in both, here you are going to get log 0 is infinity, and log 1 by, if you substitute 1 by x in place of x0, you are going to get 1 by 0, which is again infinity, which means you are going to get infinity by infinity form. Now if you observe it, since it is infinity by infinity form, you can apply L'Hospital rule. So according to L'Hospital rule, if you differentiate numerator and denominator both with x, here you are going to get log x as 1 by x, and you can write x square, 1 by x square as x power minus 2, and you can write it as d by dx of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. In that case, if you write it, you are going to get minus 2 into x power minus 3, and x power minus 3 is going to be minus 2 by x cube. Now it is a by b divided by c by d form. You can write it as a by b into d by c. So you are going to get this. Got it? Now again you can cancel it out. So whatever you get is simply x square by 2, for which you are supposed to apply limit x tends to 0. If you directly apply it, you are going to get 0. Okay, the answer is 0 there. Now for this one, if you observe it, limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 into tan pi x by 2, right? So if you substitute x equal to 1 here, you are going to get 1 minus 1, which is 0, and tan pi into 1 by 2 is nothing but tan pi by 2, and tan pi by 2 is infinity. Therefore here you are going to get 0 into infinity form. And now you are going to convert it in such a way that either it is going to be in the form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. So if I take tan x to the denominator, I am going to get cot x. Therefore tan pi x by 2 is going to be cot pi x by 2, right? Now if you substitute x equal to 1 in numerator and denominator, you are going to get here as 1 minus 1 as 0, and then cot pi x is 0, cot x pi by 2. In the sense, if you substitute x equal to 1, you are going to get cot pi by 2, which means in numerator and denominator both of them you are going to get 0. So 0 by 0 form. So you can differentiate it, numerator and denominator, by L'Hospital rule. So what do I get here? If I differentiate it, I am going to get 1. If I differentiate it, see, d by dx of cot x is cosecant square x, but since pi by 2 is here, I am going to multiply with pi by 2. Got it? Okay. And now I have taken this 2 to the numerator. See this, minus 2 pi into 1 by cosecant square pi by 2, right? Now you can directly substitute x equal to 1 there, and you know that cosecant pi by 2 is 1. So this entire factor is going to be 1. So the answer is minus pi by 2. Got it?